Have you ever wished ChatGPT could remember past conversations, keep track of files, and manage different tasks all in one place? Well, now it can. Meet ChatGPT's Projects feature, your new AI workspace designed to help you stay organized and productive. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a project, add files, manage tasks, set custom instructions, and even start a new chart inside a project. Let us dive in. Projects in ChatGPT are like dedicated workspaces where you can store files, keep past conversations, and set custom instructions all within a single context. Think of it as your AI powered project manager. I have logged into ChatGPT. On the sidebar, you will see your tasks as well as a projects as you scroll down. I have already created one project ebook website. If I click on that, it shows the website, files, instructions, and any charts. Let us create a new one. Click on the plus, new project, project name. You see that what is a project? It keeps charts, files, and custom instructions in one place. I do courses on Udemy, so let me use that. ChatGPT for managers on Udemy. This is my course. So all the files and tasks related to this course, I will keep it in this project. Create project. So we have the project created. It appears on left side as well. I can change the colors. Blue. So this folder has become blue. I can add files, add custom instructions. Let me add an instruction here. You are an expert project manager and help in this chart with all the demos and files related to my course on Udemy. Save this. We can add files here. Let me add some files. Upload from computer. So I have selected few images and a project file from my computer. I can upload these. So it looks like you have uploaded multiple images and a spreadsheet file. It is unable to display this visualization. Let it keep these files. Let me go back to ChatGPT for managers. Here, let me edit the instructions. Use the images for tasks and also the spreadsheet as the project plan with resources. Now I can add already existing tasks to this project. So here, project risk prediction. If I click on these three dots, it shows share, add project, rename or archive, delete. Let us add to ChatGPT for managers on Udemy. So you have the old chats are also available here. All these are in one place. Here I can chat with this and it will use all the files already associated with the project. What are the risks in the project? So it has created a new chat, project risk assessment, with the risks about scope, schedule, technical, resource, financial, quality, compliance and legal, market and competitive. And also ask, would you like a risk mitigation plan for these areas? So if you look at this project, now it has a new task as well. So all your tasks for this project along with the files and custom instructions all in one place. That is how ChatGPT's projects feature makes your AI powered workspaces smarter and more efficient. Now you can keep your conversations organized, store important files, and even personalize your AI's responses all in one place. What do you think? Drop a comment below. How would you choose ChatGPT's projects feature? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.